It's TV time, it's TV time!
What?
It's TV time, it's TV time!
What?
It's TV time, it's TV time! What?
It's TV time, it's TV time! What?
It's TV time, it's TV time! What?
Ladies and gentlemen, now taking the field from Temecula, California, the Golden Valley Regiment. Drum Major Ryan Olivares Camarillo, is your band ready? Presenting their 2021 program, The Sublime, based on Aristotle's 4 levels of happiness leading to the sublime layer. The California State Band Championships is proud to present the Golden Valley Regiment.
What we want most in life is to be happy. We all strive for it. It is the only thing we want for its own sake. Happiness is not a simple concept. It was Aristotle who distinguished 4 levels, the first being a shallow, temporary happiness that comes from eternal
Wow, this is an intense joy.
Unfortunately, this high level is one that comes from comparison and accomplishments. Happiness based on self gives way to a more lasting joy that comes from doing things for others in community.
To a friend who's sick. Happiness doesn't result from what we get, but from what we give.
Ladies and gentlemen, Temecula Valley High School Golden Valley Regiment.